Frankie, you don't need coffee. That's one thing you definitely do not need. You don't need cookies either. No cookies for you. Maybe I can invent some cat cookies. Frankie. Frankie, you woke me up. You don't need coffee. Frankie. Frankie, get down. Frank. Frank. Frank, what are you doing? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Huh? Frank. Cats and coffee, cats and coffee. That's how I start my day. Cats and coffee, cats and coffee. That's how I start my day.